Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Bath & Body Works body spray for women. The Japanese Cherry Blossom Signature Collection Fragrance Mist. This fragrance mist has captured the hearts of many with its light, airy scent and elegant packaging, making it a staple for those who love fresh, delicate fragrances. The Japanese Cherry Blossom Fragrance Mist comes in an 8 fluid ounce bottle, perfect for everyday use or to keep in your bag for a quick refresh. The scent is beautifully crafted to evoke the soft, floral notes of cherry blossoms combined with subtle hints of Asian pear and other delicate ingredients. This creates a fresh, uplifting aroma that is both feminine and approachable, suitable for any occasion, whether it's a casual day out or a special event. One of the highlights of this product is its lightweight formula. The mist is designed to be light as air, allowing you to layer it according to your desired scent intensity. It's not overpowering, which means you can wear it comfortably throughout the day without worrying about it being too strong or overwhelming. The formula itself is paraben-free, which is a big plus for those who are conscious about the ingredients they put on their skin. It has been dermatologist tested, giving you confidence that it's gentle and safe for your skin. This is especially important for a body spray that you might apply multiple times a day. The packaging is another aspect that stands out. The bottle is made from 50% recycled plastic, reflecting Bath & Body Works' commitment to sustainability. It's a simple but thoughtful touch that shows this product isn't just about fragrance, it's also about caring for the environment. In terms of usability, the spray mechanism works well to deliver a fine mist, ensuring an even application without wasting any product. The design is sleek and easy to hold, which makes it convenient to use on the go. This fragrance mist has a unisex appeal as well, making it a great choice to share with friends or family. The scent is fresh and subtle enough to be enjoyed by anyone who appreciates a light floral fragrance. To sum it up, the Bath & Body Works Japanese Cherry Blossom Signature Collection Fragrance Mist combines a delicate, fresh scent with a gentle, paraben-free formula and eco-friendly packaging. It's perfect for anyone looking for a daily body spray that is light, uplifting, and skin-friendly. If you're in search of a signature scent that is both elegant and refreshing, this body spray could easily become your new favorite. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product reviews and recommendations. See you next time.